Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to XIAOMI 12S Ultra. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both of them. Following that, click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to set it up, do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by selecting OK. Nextly, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO and Receive next to Send at the bottom of XIAOMI. Also on XIAOMI, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window, and when you're ready, go back to OPPO smartphone. On it, select all of those categories at the top, and in them click on those type of dots at the top left corners. This way you will be able to select multiple files from your category. You can also just click on the chosen ones instead. Then click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. And select one of those connection ways. If you want to scan the QR code, click on this scanning icon next to Input key, so misclick on XIAOMI. Then tap on Once or Allow only when using the app to allow camera access, and point your XIAOMI's camera at the code. If you prefer to input 6-digit key instead, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and tap on the Receive button. So when I click, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!